This video will show you how to do walk cycle animation of Rico character. So I will be using flipaclip app and Rico cartoon app for this tutorial. So make sure you download flipaclip app from Play Store so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And also please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified about our new video. Now let's continue making the video. So I will click on that plus icon to name my project. So I'll name it Rico Animation Walk Cycle. Okay, then I'll click on done. Then next thing is that I will click on that background icon to import my background. So I've already designed the background, so look at it there. So I will click on it to add it to the project. The next thing is that I'll have to set up my canvas size, okay? And this video is for YouTube, so I will select the first one, YouTube 1080p. That is the normal landscape video for YouTube. Then click on create project. So let's get started. So at this point, I will click on that three dot to import my Rico character, okay? So click on add image, okay? Then I'll browse and select the Rico character I'll be using for this project. So there won't be any need for me to draw any character. There's an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before using it for animation. I have a tutorial video on how I create my Rico characters using Rico Cartoon app on my YouTube channel. So I recommend you watch this video to the end in order to gain access to that very video. So moving on, I will position this character to the side of the screen because I want it to walk across, okay? Then I'll click on that plus icon, okay? Then at this point, I'll click on that three dot again. I'm going to add a new pose. So this first pose that I added is the neutral pose. You can also call it the contact pose, okay? You know that in walk cycle, we have contact pose. Then I'll use my lasso tool to move this image close to the first image because at this point the character have already started to walk. So this pose now, this character pose is the contact pose, okay? So in walk cycle we have contact pose, we have passing pose, okay? So if you combine contact and passing pose both with the left leg and the right leg, you achieve a walk cycle, okay? So I'm going to continue adding the images for creating the walk cycle, okay? So that is what I'm going to do. So this pose now is the passing pose, okay? One leg is passing through the other one and is going to make the character to walk, okay? There are easier ways to make a character to walk and I'll be talking about it at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you won't miss out on that very part. So all these frame now, all these Rico character images, I designed them through the app and it is very easy for me to design on that app. So if you want to get the Rico Cartoon app I used to design these Rico characters, drop a comment. I'm interested. Drop it in the comment section and I will send you the link for downloading the Rico Cartoon app to your phone, okay? And you can use that app to get all the Rico character images for animation. So all these poses now I'm adding now, anyone I add, I will move it slightly forward. So that movement will make the character to look as if it is moving forward. So at this point now, I've finished adding the contact and passing. So I will just copy these poses and then I'll continue to copy and paste it, you see. So I'll copy and paste all those images that I've already added. The contact pose, the passing pose, just to achieve a working animation, okay? So if you want to learn how to make an animation move on your smartphone or your laptop, I recommend you join my animation class where I will teach my students how to animate and make animation move to your Rico characters with your smartphone or your laptop. So it's available on my YouTube channel. So subscribe to this channel and watch the video to the end in order to gain access to my animation class. So guys, I will continue adding the frame that I've already copied, okay? So I'm just doing all these things in order to achieve a smooth animation, and I'm doing pose to pose animation because I have to copy the poses and then paste it. So I'm doing pose to pose on this thing now, and I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll fast forward some things. Okay, but if you want to learn more, you can reach out to me. I will teach you how to animate personally. So I recommend you join my animation class for a well detailed tutorial. Okay, so I will continue adding all these frames. I hope you are following along with the tutorial. Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So let's continue where we stopped. So guys, I'll continue adding all these images, and by the way, if you want to get the Rico cartoon character images that I use in this video, you can download the Rico cartoon app, which contains all the Rico character images, background and object already designed for animation. So use the link in the description of this video to purchase and download the Rico cartoon app so that it will boost your animation workflow. So at this point now, you see that the character is about to leave the screen. So it has continued working for all this time. So I will continue adding all these frames that we already added before. So the contact pose, the passing pose, and then the up pose again. So at this point, our character is almost to be off the screen. So very soon now, our character will be off the screen. So the only thing I did here is I keep on doing copy and paste for the pose to pose. Okay, so once you have your character work cycle, which contains only 5 images, then you can now be copying and be pasting it, and then be adjusting the character so that it will look as if the character is working. So if you do it like this, you can easily achieve a work cycle. Okay, so we are almost done now. So we are almost done. So guys, you see that the character is already working. You see, so that means we added all the frames correctly. So at this point, I'll click on that 3 dots over there, and I'm going to export the video. So I will click on make movie now in order to export this video. So I will click on make movie. Okay, so guys, you see that this my flipaclip is a premium version. Yes, they are not showing watermark. So this app is available for my students. Anyone that want to join my animation class will get this app and also the Rico cartoon app for free for their phone animation. So now the video is already exporting. So now the video is already exported. So you can play the video and also share it on your social media platform. So let's play the video now. You see? So guys, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'm ready to give you more animation tutorial. Okay, so if you want me to teach you more in details how to create cartoon animation videos like this, I recommend you join my WhatsApp channel. Okay, check the link in the description of this video. You will see my WhatsApp channel link there. So click the link and join my WhatsApp channel, and also contact me from there to join my animation class. Okay, so that is all about this video, and when you contact me, you will gain a deeper teaching from me on how to create cartoon Rico characters. I'll also teach you how to create characters and how to monetize your content. Okay, when you join my animation class, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, and also like this video, comment and share this video, because I'm dropping new animation tutorial every week. Okay, I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.